Flanders Filters Incorporated. Filter removal and replacement instructions, bag-out procedure. Copyright 1985. This procedure is intended as a guide and may not comply with acceptable safety standards for handling all hazardous materials. Obtain clearance from Resident Safety Officer at your site prior to using this procedure. Shut down or divert airflow before beginning procedure. To prevent possible personal contamination, environmental gear must be worn. Loosen door latches. They are spring-loaded and will spring away from the door. Remove the door. Leave the safety strap on the bag-out port and remove the 12-inch cinching strap. Using the mittens provided in the PVC bag, release the filter locking arm. Still using the mittens provided, grasp the filter frame and gently pull the filter out. Work the bag over the filter until the full length of the bag is on the filter. Then put the filter on the tray, leaving room for sealing the bag. Band the bag in 2 places, between the housing and the filter. Use the stainless steel bands provided. Cut the bag in the middle between the bands. For more complete details, see instruction manual included with the optional banding kit. When a second filter is present, and after a new bag has been installed, grasp the filter removal rod and turn. The clips on the filter should correspond with those on the rod so that the filter may be pulled halfway, the rod returned, and pulled again, and the filter brought to the housing door. Further removal of the filter should use the same procedure as the first filter. Remove the safety strap from the bag stub. Then carefully work the elastic shock cord, which is in the mouth of the bag stub, from the rear rib near the housing to the front rib, which is nearest to the opening of the bag-out port. Use extreme caution now that the safety strap has been removed to prevent the bag from slipping off of the sealing lip. Handling the new filter by its frame only, place it inside the new PVC bag. Note, the pleats in the filter media should be aligned with the vertical axis when the airflow is horizontal. Place the new filter, which is now in the bag, on the shelf. Make certain the sealing side of the filter is aligned with the sealing frame of the housing. A feature of some of our housings are the filter clips, which all must now be aligned on the mechanism angle. Stretch the elastic shock cord, which is in the mouth of the new PVC bag, over the bag stub and around the lip of the housing, past the second or rear rib. This now makes the stub completely within the new bag. Place the safety strap between the 2 ribs on the port. Using the loop that is attached to the safety strap, tighten the strap as much as possible. Now carefully pull on the bag to make sure it is secure. The bag should not move at all. If movement occurs, repeat until movement ceases. Pleat the new bag starting at a corner and gently pull the old bag off the port. Continue to do this completely around the port. The pleating is necessary because it leaves slack in the new bag and prevents it from being pulled off. Then work the stub behind the new filter and into the foot of the bag. Slide the filter into the housing as far as it will go. The bag stub may now be sealed and cut away from the remainder of the bag using the earlier banding procedure. Make certain enough space is left for bagging out and sealing the next filter at replacement time. Close the filter locking arm. Relieve the bag of any captured air. Gather the bag so that it is taut, but not so tight that the remaining bag will not be able to be stored inside the sealing lip. Secure the banding strap. This prevents the loose bag from being drawn into the ventilating system when turned on again. Remove the optional shelf. Fold or roll up the slack in the bag and replace the door with the bag inside. Be careful not to pinch the bag or the straps between the door and housing. Be sure not to pull the bag off the flange when replacing the door. Tighten the latches gradually and equally. This now concludes the procedure for filter removal and replacement. Copyright 1985, Flanders Filters Incorporated. This program may not be reproduced in whole or part without the express written permission of Flanders Filters Incorporated.